I'm not in London, I'm not in Lagos. This is Ghana, my motherland. And nobody can stop me from preaching the gospel. Nobody can stop me from preaching the gospel. The thing was being interrupted because they snatched the phone from the guy who was just helping you people to get a message. They snatched the phone. So I need to attack them to get my phone back. I need to attack them to get my phone back. How can you tell Ghanaians that whoever spend money, what you come say, what in crime, who are butchered, now we need scanner the bishop crema wajim. The more party say youth no, you be a mucho boy, 2020 beba. Like you do much choboy, like you come on. To give it to them. To the concrete, I say yes, Christ. Everywhere he went, he was doing good. What I say, the gospel shouldn't be in only the building. You know it. They be a metaka say abua kushi owi. Abua kushi owi. Say what only buoma wampre. Kushi abua kushi only buoma wampre. By the moment mube kongura mambe na adu say mubo ni jano. Those who are start here pray. What I say. Sorry, say there was interruption in the video because boy now work my camera boy they now on the phone a video these guys need to attack. These guys need to attack because they think say this is honorable Canadian Japan constituency, but they don't know say here is part of Ghana. I'm not in Pakistan, I'm not in London, I'm not in Lagos. This is Ghana, my motherland. And nobody can stop me from preaching the gospel. Nobody can stop me from preaching the gospel. The thing was being interrupted because they snatched the phone from the guy who was just helping you people to get a message. They snatched the phone. So I need to attack them to get my phone back. I need to attack them to get my phone back. How can you tell Ghanaians that whoever spend money, what you come say, what in crime, who are butchered, now we need scanner the bishop crema wajim. The more party say youth no, you be a mucho boy, 2020 beba. Like you do much choboy, like you come on. Because we are branch, we are Ketesia. Now we ye kwe juma, sabi wo koko, wo wabe, wo poetry, wo winyan. Unko yo be choboy. This is a wake up call to Ghanaians. And even it is an insult to Ghana as a whole. Yenya Ghana for adia nyankopon di twa ye fruma eyekuya. Adia nyankopon di twa ye fruma eyekuya. So if he says if someone invests in kuya, he is a fool there. Then no, we not sit down. I'm also nya ha wo ko hu no we.
Who be damenti bita.
Me say nya ha wo ko hu no we.
You come see edu anapa ko hwedum. Asofo more than 20. Obi agina ne gan.
Yeah.
Na we say you come see pan ka boys can.
Oh, enya kuma unse me ye no mo ye na amanfo frɛ ne ade. On say yes kiso do baby no mo bet ni Peter twi. Etwe ayi edi twa say e ka doma nkomo mu di mechi. Sebe ani die munya homaso ne ayi. Police commanders, soldiers, militaries. Cause amnya ne sesi ano. Na mka cho obi anya me hwe. Boys omo ye say na hwe bom mo ni ade. What I say can say yam frɛ mema gidigidi. Sebe mo amotwa wo hia kwa nka mo tinya abo.
Awurade ya me.
Oh ba eduru yeah. Yesu Kristo nko bi na obetima tene nsa hwe na so. Ba we edi me tene nsa re. Ehwe na so. Ha ntinye se bia. Ba we no we ni mesada the machine na aba. We ni e bese ko hwa asase bi na me yesi no na Sunday ehwe me he dom eku a ye nsia nyame asem kakra. Because adichio we wunim ebi kura na asem ye obi betene ne no ene de be ko nkwaji ya ni tina me egina na de ye hu kura de we sa ade ne ye famu no because wunim me ba ha na ka me ka enipa sem kire mo ensem ede adefede ka mo bobo je me so no ma mienu so ko be bi na wo ka nyame asem na nipa na e boje so amini say you are telling them what they want to hear. It's Galatians chapter 1 the verse 10. Paul say nyame na mpese twitwi nipa ana se me pese me twitwi nipa ba me nchen se me ye nyame akoyi me da so mi so nipa ni dia etu ko gina ba bi preach ni aboje usure mi ni se nsem na eba no na nyame asem so eba eno honam ne da yi edi asie nya asem bia baba bia eno wona me that's it okay yo on council the gospel must go and the gospel is to go enti dana me pese me kire ama me listeners ni na ati ase ni even in asimfosu somewhere obi be farm so we are here just to monitor say farming no be ebe koso ni ade so someone just asked I didn't know so for sure so queer so just as I was speaking, you know, about team say as a honey I catch them say when you scan out the shikuya man you are a fool or something of that sort. So I was just explaining to them say no queer and a Ghana nyamidi try a fuma if it de Ghana be Ghana nyina tetakwashi cocoa timber bauxite diamond sa normal way ya natural resource na man Ghana ya technology yenka ho what I say technology yenka ho che de ekua so if someone is saying say wunye sika wo has no sika now the rakua mo gimi dia no I have to let Ghanaians my listeners know say you are not a fool what I say wunyi me say asem we meka asa akabiem obi opesika wo fie bia e kronfo only thieves search for money in the house. Money is in the bush. I don't care whether you verse or you no verse. Na me yase man fa machine sama. Chenetini me yase man fa machine sama. And the reason why they interrupted the phone message they took the phone away. So I need to change them because phone way masa ne boarding. Me bre answer na me nseka. To me ma obi me jimmy phone. Who are you? How dare you take my phone? You can't take my phone. What I say, so I need to get a phone because the phone is the only way. The phone is the only way that I can convey the message to you. Today I say me phone back because without the phone, you are in America, you are in Italy. How will you get a message? Attack or no attack, the gospel must go. Attack or no attack, the gospel must go. Onyo kese me patch join ya obetimi ashama me. Wa join ya say omo person mo chese high omo constituency. But they don't know say high Ghana. E ka domo be ko ama me an nka bibiri. Ba hu hia we are not here to fight. Once say me ka say me nu ekro ignorant of the truth. What I say? Such people na we need them in the kingdom business. Nti so ojimia akosibro ni say too wrong does not make right. Oba ye we konyodom. What I say? Or fearless preacher we monya don mame. What I say? But we are not called to fight. Say the yes Christ can say senka kan entokwa kame odom bebre. E the comment I know say many of you are disturbed. Because cause e ba no ade no chese. Why should I allow them? I should continue to preach. But still the gospel must go. The gospel must go. The gospel must go. The gospel must go. The gospel. God is in control. Me, I don't fear human being. I fear God. Right now, if you are to take my life, you can only take my life, but you can't take the gospel. Even that will make the gospel go far. Yes, you are one. Yes. What I say? Yes, you are one. Yes, you are one. Yes, you are yes. What I say? Yes, you are no obey yes. It's sometimes no. Nyame wo kwan bebre a fast wa what they spread the gospel nyame wo kwan the gospel ebi cry if the issue was not to happen what I say if this issue was not to happen ebi anka obi kran so at the end I know say it will help the message go far because baby ana me point ginan pa ne say and the Ghana ha no ade a edi a Christopher bebre nya ne say when they accept Jesus as their personal savior, or munim some offer Jesus or Mokan Majon, they don't need to suffer. What I say, when are these Satan ordained pastors, these awkward pastors, or ma capitalize on a dibu a Christopher a faso. So to the American say, this Satan ordained pastor, what Johnny has share mommy? The gospel must go and the gospel is still going. I mean, any of you are worried, but still the gospel must go. Mommy, clarify me home. Serbia, with due respect, Serbia, my followers, and they'll get the content. Yes, Christo Kasim. Was this a muko probing? Naso Mojama, Moka Munfa Munshira Momo. So, man, your ma, Munfa Munshira uncle. So, I need to take back my blessing. But you accepted me, so you need to get what they call the blessing back. Yanto en common so. And adia bakua, adia bakua, dear Christopher Bebrina. And he say, Yabaji yesu dia on, Yabaji yesu dia. Yenim say aji yesu adintino. Eni kwase yabre. Eni kwase ya honchire ya. Eni kwase ya yare, but it's a lie. Teneteni ye power, it's a lie. The choma ju dia si bibi so. Christo some adia bakua na me pese. Point and me person me make you say those people who cannot read the Bible. Answer na me won nipa bebre abe church ya. Omo mo ton no mani ade. Omo be church o mu tie. Obu o wo ya de bi wo ignorant of it. Everything na so for mu jan son always in the building na me bu ofumu no. Asam no kura no succumb di nipa. Imagine if the pastors who call themselves pastors, if the evangelists who call themselves evangelists are teaching the people, and can you probably trust you? Say, Shadoman can be teaching Yamia Semino. And yes, a man of me, we are Mufo. Memo as someone no credit to come at home. People are not getting the truth, and then people are not getting the truth. No credit, and now Isaiah 54 verse 9 was in the crash, yasi. And a contumpo, dear. And any dear Yadema or Badiano, Yadema Abodiano. A cabaya de passe, ya kanya miasem. Nani pardon say, you best stop on your miasem. Generated the power. You can never stop the word of God from moving. You can't. Because Samian Casakrame Mahoquine, those people who are listening to me, Oma no Mutiamino, Same Mahoquine say they should do what they want to do. But I'm not here to fight. I'm not a politician. I'm not here to fight. I'm not here to campaign. This is my work. I'm campaigning for Christ and humanity as a whole. I'm campaigning for Christ and humanity as a whole. It's a idea be about one person. I will speak. If it is bad, I will speak against. If it is good, I will speak against. That is why I'm called a Gongombita. What I say? And each time my friend who said the gong bitter, you always need to beat the gong hard for people to listen. The part of me person me a message, for the sake of those who wasted their credit, who wasted their time listening to me.